Hello and welcome to this presentation on the 2020 school lunch ordering process. This is the teacher version. With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, we've had to make some changes to how meals at school are going to work this year. The biggest one being no lunch lines this year. Meals must be pre-ordered online. We have a website, naschoolnutrition.net, where you can learn more about how to place an order, how to add your payment, and that's the actual site where students and teachers can place their orders. Online pre-orders must be placed by 9:30 a.m. each morning, and you can also place orders for a whole week. For payment, students and parents should be paying as normal with myschoolbucks.com or by check or cash brought down to the main office. For remote learners, whether it be on a Wednesday or an alternate cohort day when you're at home, or if you're doing full remote learning, you can optionally come to the school to pick up your meals. Also, there's no processing fee this year for online payments. It was previously $2.49 per transaction. Location of meals. So where do I get my breakfast in the morning? Well, for K through 8 students, that'll be picked up from a grab-and-go cart or the cafeteria, depending on the school. Lunch for K through 8 students will be delivered directly to the classrooms. And for high school students, for breakfast and lunch, that'll be served in the cafeteria. Meal pickup for both breakfast and lunch for all remote learners will be available daily at each school location at a specific spot. Here is the schedule of meals for this year. And by the way, this presentation is available online at naschoolnutrition.net, where you can learn more and download the presentation and print out any slides if you'd like. This is organized by school, and you can see the breakfast and lunch times. And there's also, for remote learners, the pickup time and location. Meal prices this year. You can look over the slide, but a couple important things I'd like to point out. Do I need to pre-order? Yes, every single student needs to pre-order, whether that be with a parent, by themselves, with a teacher, whether they're free or reduced price lunch qualified or not. They do need to pre-order. Everybody needs to pre-order. Can I do remote pickup? Yes, everybody can do remote pickup at any school location. And some more important notes. Elementary school students are encouraged to place the order with their parent, and teachers are also recommended to do that during attendance in the morning. For middle school and high school, students should be doing this on their own, but teachers, it's a good idea just to give a little reminder during homeroom to place the order. All teachers have access to a student dashboard that allows you to make, delete, and change meal orders. Again, meal pre-orders must be placed by 9:30 a.m. each day. Elementary school students will either pre-order at home with a parent, or teachers can take orders during attendance. So to do that, you just get a head count for each meal choice and then submit it on the website. Middle school and high school students should be placing their own orders. But again, reminding them to place it during homeroom is a good idea. And lastly, all students must pre-order. This includes students who qualify for free and reduced price meals, as well as students learning remotely. Here are some important links. naschoolnutrition.net. Again, that's the NA School Nutrition Department homepage. If parents have any questions, it's likely on this website already. There's contact information if you do have questions on there. The next link is onlineordering.link, which is spelled linq.com. That's the website where you actually place your order. And then myschoolbucks.com, that's the site, and this is not new, we've used this before. That's where you add money to your school lunch account. And you can also pay by check or cash, and that'll be added directly to MySchoolBucks. You can check your school meal account balance and transactions for free with that service, even if you don't use the online payment feature. If you do have any questions, you can contact the North Attleboro School Nutrition Department, or if you have questions specific for cafeteria managers, their phone numbers are listed there as well. And parents and students also have a copy of this of these phone numbers and emails, so feel free to share that with them. Okay, now let's get into actually creating an account. So the first thing you need to do is go into your school email and check for a registration link. You should have already received that, and you'll see a big button that says create account, or there's a giant link that you can click. You can't miss it. So you'll start by pressing one of those buttons, and then you'll go through the process to create your account. You'll need to create a password. Some of the information will be auto-filled for you to make it a little easier. But then once you've created your account, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks like this. So first of all, note that these student names here and these student IDs are all completely fictional. There were no students with these names, as far as I know, and no students using these IDs. So just to be transparent about that. It's organized by a calendar, so you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at the top, and there's a button for each student to place their order. So once you place the order, or press the place order button, it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. So this is for a test student, and each student's name will be listed here, so you know which student you're placing the order for. Again, this is calendar based, so you can click here to change the date. We'll work on the 16th, Wednesday, that's the first day of school. And over here you can note that there's a tab for breakfast and also for lunch. So to place an order for a student, you ask them what they like, of course. Okay, let's say a student likes the mini pancakes meal. You can view the special meal accommodations here, view nutritional information, but you'll notice you can't press add to order yet. You have to select the sides. So I'd like to do the free water, and we'll also do the chocolate milk, and I can press add to order. You can see that breakfast is grayed out now. And let's order a lunch. So I think the Wild Mike's Pizza Bites with pizza sauce sounds good. I'll choose my sides. We'll do cinnamon applesauce, celery and cucumber dippers, and 1% low-fat milk. Add to order. And then you're going to want to go to the cart up here, and it will show you everything that you just entered. Press checkout. And you want to select your pickup location. So the system, the link system automatically knows what school each student is at and what homeroom they're in. So this will automatically, it'll only have one choice for them. So just select Classroom 320, Classroom 320, and place order, and you're all set. Thank you for listening to this presentation. I hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our food services coordinators.